I am so excited. I'm making sourdough for the first time in 2 years, and I've never managed to get it out the Banneton in one piece like this. And I've also got this thing which sort of carries it, which I bought from Amazon, which is a silicone thingy. And now I'm going to score it. So I haven't got a knife or a razor or anything or whatever I'm meant to use. So I'm just going to slice it. This works quite well. I actually use this for cleaning the hob. What am I going to do? What shape? Just keep it really simple because, you know, this is the first loaf I've made in a very long time. I'm going to use this, see if this works. Plonk it in. Looks good. Ta-da! First loaf in 2 years and pretty perfect, I reckon. Oh, I'm still recording and I'm cleaning up. Yeah, I have to do this too.